as they began to sing, nothing happened until they sang. As they began to sing, he said the Lord set ambushment, and suddenly the enemies began to fight themselves. So apart from mobilizing spirit, is a weapon that confuses Satan, is a weapon that confuses the camp of the enemy. When we sing here, we must have understanding. It's not about voice, it's a weapon. See, some of you can release something stronger than an atomic bomb. Some of you can release something stronger than a missile. When you release some sounds from your spirit, you have set a trap, you have released a weapon. It can scatter the adversary.